The Pixel 8 Pro was already revealed in a leaked official teaser along with plenty of its specs, but today we've got news of a big upgrade to the Pixel 8 Pro. Let me know in the comments what you most want to see from the Pixel 8 series. So first story of the day, we've got more confirmation that the Pixel 8's 10-3 chipset is going to be getting some big upgrades. With a new 9-core CPU and a 10-core GPU with ray tracing capabilities, we're expecting some big improvements to the CPU and the GPU performance. The Tensor chips have always performed well with their AI functions, but using older generation cores, they've lacked a bit in terms of their raw power performance. The G3 has been redesigned with newer ARM v9 cores, and it's moved away from its 4+2+2 setup to deliver a new 9-core CPU. Next up, we've got confirmation of the wireless charging of the standard Pixel 8 thanks to new WPC certification, but it's really not that exciting. It confirms that the standard Pixel 8 is going to support 12-watt wireless charging, the same as its predecessor, and it also confirms that it's not going to be supporting the new Qi 2 standard either. Now, to confirm, this is for the standard Pixel 8 and not for the Pro. We are hoping to see some improvements in the Pro's charging, and maybe this is just part of a cost saving to make the standard Pixel 8 more affordable. Next up, we've got news that the Pixel 8 series could be upgrading to the 50-megapixel ISOCELL GN2 for the primary camera, and then the Pixel 8 Pro is also going to be getting the 64-megapixel Sony IMX787 for the ultrawide. Now, the 50-megapixel GN2 is a big upgrade from the predecessor's GN1, and it allows for roughly 35% more light capture. So on top of Google's software improvements, we're likely to see some big improvement in the Pixel 8 photography. The GN2 is going to be used in both the Pixel 8 as well as the Pixel 8 Pro, but only the Pro models are going to be getting the upgrade to the ultrawide camera. The new IMX787 sensor should make for a much more usable ultrawide camera, and the larger size is again going to allow for much better light capture, and this should greatly improve the photography. We're also hearing more rumors on the temperature sensor, and it's thought to come with a lot more uses than just taking body temperature, and you'll also be able to use it to take the temperature of objects as well. Now, like many other smartphones this year, the Pixel 8 series is looking very similar to its predecessor, and focus has been on the hardware upgrades such as the chipset and the photography. The one thing we don't know yet is actually the price. With launch expected to be in October, anyone giving pricing information at the moment, it's just going to be an estimate. The price can change as we approach launch, so we won't speculate on it for now, but we can definitely expect at least a small increase from the predecessor. Now, of course, as anything else comes in for the Pixel 8 or the Pixel 8 Pro, I'm going to be sharing it straight away, so make sure you subscribe so you don't miss a thing in the future.